Let me be brutally honest with you. Growing up, I never thought much about the stories behind how people came into the world. I'm imagining you two didn't. But over the years, I've met so many incredible men and women who've shared something deeply personal. They were born as a result of an affair. So their father went to have an affair with another woman, and boom, they were born. Their mom went to have an affair with another man, and they were born. Now, if that's you, I want you to know you're not alone and you're not defined by your origin story. For now, as usual, straight to the point, no fluff. I'll walk you through 4 powerful signs that you're healing as an affair child. Signs that you're moving beyond shame and pain and you're stepping into fully the beautiful purpose God has for you. Yeah, God has a purpose for you. Now, if you're watching on YouTube and you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. My analytics tells me that most of you watching aren't subscribed, and that will really help me creating these helpful conversations. Now let's dive into the signs. Sign number 1. You've processed your origin story and you've anchored your identity in Christ. For many people, discovering the truth about their birth can feel like the ground shifting under their feet. It is shocking, it's painful, it's disorientating. Now, healing begins when you normalize your birth story, not by denying the truth, but by releasing its power to define you. You realize that no matter how you came into the world, you are here on purpose. Your identity isn't anchored or rooted in your parents' choices. Your identity is anchored in Christ. If God allowed you to be here, He has a divine plan for your life. Hold on to that truth. Sign number 2. You've stopped justifying others, including your parents. You've started focusing on your own well-being, your own emotional healing. At some point, you've stopped carrying your parents' choices as your burden. You've stopped the need to defend or explain what happened to anybody. And instead, you've turned your attention to your own emotional well-being because nobody probably is asking you how you are feeling and how you are addressing the shame, the rejection, and the wounds that have come and have shaped you over time. This is important because it's a major shift. It's now about yourself, and it's now about setting yourself free. Sign number 3. You've accepted your story, and you've created your own story, your narrative around it. True healing means that you've acknowledged, yes, I'm an affair child. You've taken ownership of that story. You've built a narrative that empowers you. You're not denying it, and you're no longer ashamed. And that takes therapy, my dear. That takes a lot of emotional work. You now build healthy boundaries. You've chosen relationships, step-siblings, uncles, that honor your peace and respect your life. Sign number 4. You've quit blaming and you've stepped fully into your purpose. This is something I'm repeating over and over again. It happens when you let go of resentment. It happens when you start to recognize that, like Solomon and Jephthah in the Bible, God often uses those complex beginnings for extraordinary purposes. You're one of them. You turned your pain into a platform. You started writing, posting, started a podcast, you're organizing an event, you're doing something meaningful. My darling sister, these are the signs that you have started healing as a child from an affair. You are no more the circumstance of your birth. You are chosen, you are loved, and you are called. Healing isn't about erasing the past, about your history. It's about redeeming it. And God is able to redeem that for you. Now, if you want one-on-one coaching about this, like I mentioned, you can get instant coaching. I've created a guide where I will coach you. And if you're ready to have a safe, faith-based space to go deeper with other women who may have similar experiences like you, join my women's retreat. 4 days, 3 nights, away in beautiful coastal Victoria, here in Australia. I've kept a space for you. Join us. The link is in the description to learn more about my soulful emotional healing restoration retreat for Christian women. Until next video, like, share, subscribe. Now stay beautiful, stay calm, and stay confident.